Welcome to Health Wanderer. Today, we're uncovering the secret health powers of the apple fruit and how it can benefit your body in amazing ways. If you enjoy learning about health and wellness, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Apples are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, they provide a significant boost to our overall well-being with just a single bite. Packed with dietary fiber, apples aid in digestion and promote a healthy gut. This fiber helps regulate bowel movements, ensuring that our digestive system functions smoothly and efficiently. The antioxidants found in apples play a crucial role in combating free radicals. These compounds help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and some types of cancer, by protecting the body's cells. One surprising fact about apples is their potential to support weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, apples help us feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack. Apples contribute to heart health in multiple ways. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular function, reducing the risk of developing heart-related issues over time. The vitamin C in apples boosts the immune system, helping the body fend off common illnesses. Regular consumption can enhance your body's natural defenses, keeping you healthier throughout the year. The flavonoids in apples have anti-inflammatory properties. This helps reduce inflammation in the body, which can alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and improve overall joint health. Did you know apples can contribute to better oral health? Eating an apple stimulates saliva production, which helps cleanse the mouth and reduce the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Apples are a natural energy booster. Their natural sugars provide a quick pick-me-up, while the fiber ensures a slow and steady release of energy without sudden spikes or crashes. In addition to vitamin C and K, apples provide potassium, an essential mineral that supports heart and muscle function, helping maintain healthy blood pressure levels and preventing muscle cramps. Apples have been linked to improved brain health. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in apples support cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The skin of an apple is particularly nutritious. It contains quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that is thought to benefit lung function and protect against respiratory diseases. Less known is the fact that some apple varieties have higher levels of beneficial nutrients. Exploring different types of apples can maximize their health benefits and add variety to your diet. Incorporating apples into your daily routine can be simple and delicious. Whether eaten raw, baked, or added to salads, apples are a versatile and tasty way to improve overall health.